Hello everyone. The former President of the United States of America is a rather unusual person and an interesting person. He is known as a risk-taker and a man who has never shied away from his love for food. Some of Donald Trump's eating habits are quite unusual. Donald Trumper, kunda 12 kutisha diet cola ismal kilashi mumkin. Galavat hayda dejaizabarga kora, Trump germaphobe va unning per Hesley Coxka bulgan milabadi shunchalit kopki, pandemia petita u bermarta ijamlikni malam bertarsda taktum edishni so Reagan va quish edi biskishni ozi ichiga algan. Unning oval cabinetta hem kizel tudlabor edi, u gaslangan suv ich jeezy kilganda unibosardi dot. Trump likes to make unhealthy food choices and enjoys foods like potato chips, Oreos, burgers, bagels, and fried chicken. When Donald Trump was President of the United States, White House dinners included pulled pork and well-done steaks with gravy and an extra scoop of ice cream for dessert. Said his biggest weakness was the Big Mac from McDonald's. The former US president always ordered 2 Big Macs, 2 Filet-O-Fish and a chocolate malt. Fuji Tagi Dagi Muske Makni Yakshi Kaorati. Likes a tough steak with ketchup. In an interview with the Washington Post, one of his regular servants said that Trump likes to eat his steak very hard. In his own words, the steak would be a rock on the plate, and it was done very well. The weird thing about eating this steak is that it likes to eat it with ketchup. He is a fan of meatloaf. In 2005, he appeared on Martha Stewart with Melania, where they made a meatloaf sandwich, which Trump said was his favorite kind. How Trump likes his steak cooked. His former butler said, "It was rocking on a plate, it was very well done." Trump has been eating differently in recent weeks, with one source saying he hasn't had a burger in 2 weeks, substituting his usual fare for soups and salads. So far, Trump has accepted this arrangement.